Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this new version of Modal Lattice Resolution Blender 4.2. First thing, you have only one shortcut to create and tweak the lattice parameter, which is L. Second thing is the shortcut location. For now it is stored in the status bar here. And the third thing is about the orientation. So if you have a random rotation on your object and hit L, it will fit the object size and its rotation. So now if you want to edit your lattice, you hit L and you can add some point like so. If you want to change the mode of your lattice, you can enter in the modal and hit B, for example, C, R, okay, it will switch the modes. And you have the outside or inside mode with O to show what's happened in the inside the lattice, and F to bring your lattice in front of the objects. And the last thing is the P that pops up this panel to tweak the parameters. Okay, I think it's all for today, and see you next time. Bye.